Let's make the oil infusion for baby for the relief of cough and flu. We need mustard oil, garlic pods 1 tsp, fenugreek seeds, methi seeds 1 tsp, carom seeds, ajoin. Add all together and put them on a low flame. When turned brown, take it off from stove. Store in a clean and dry container. Apply this oil on feet, chest, neck, and back. I hope this has been helpful to you.